going on, guys? I'm here at PRI. We're in the SRI booth. We got a big presentation for you guys right here. Right here with me, I got Mr. Ricky Weiss, late model guru, running, driving, knows it all. And we got a story you're supposed to tell me later, but we can't do that right now. But we got something big, guys, something real big. This guy right here, PFC Brakes, SRI. We got Ricky, we got Randy presenting the check, $5,000 2021 sponsorship to this fella right here. You excited, man?
Oh, yeah.
You need to take this fella's money. He's trying to hand it to you. There you go. Pro tip, take the money.
Yeah, no, for sure. They've done a lot for us this year, and we had a pretty good year, and happy to call them a sponsor and a friend of ours, and so treat them like family.
That's the way it is right here. It's all family. Great people here at SRI PFC Brakes.